Hey YouTube, this is Carlos is a Crackhead, and I'm here to show you the best way to clean your PS3. So, wait up. It's turtle wax, and it's like for the cars, but it's good because it's like shiny, and then if you can see the scratches that are on my PS3, the more you use the turtle wax, the more it like fixes the scratches kind of. So all you need is, don't spray this onto the PS3. Get a rag, and spray it onto here. Then alright, and then get a different rag, and there you go. It's clean. Now the ways to clean out the fans with the oh, it's on the other side. Let me show you. Like this is, you get a vacuum cleaner hose and you just go straight over it and the dust comes out. Or you could do it the really hard way and just come on this side, peel off this sticker, pull this off, unscrew it, and then clean everything out completely. But I suggest you just do the fan, because if you pull off the sticker, your warranty will be voided. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and PS3 rocks.